Losing muscle beyond 60 isn't just typical, it's practically inevitable. But with a few simple daily habits, you can push back without even leaving your kitchen. You're absolutely not alone, and it's not your fault. As the years pass, our bodies lose muscle through a process called sarcopenia. It usually starts subtly. Maybe the stairs feel steeper, or grocery bags seem heavier than before. But this isn't only about strength. It's about staying active, confident, and self-sufficient, doing the things you love without struggle. Here's the encouraging part. You don't need costly therapies or complicated workouts. Some of the best muscle-preserving tools might already be sitting in your pantry. In today's video, you'll learn about 3 natural powders that can help restore muscle, calm inflammation, and speed recovery, all supported by real science. And if you've been eating well and exercising but still not seeing results, this could be the missing factor. So stay tuned, because these small shifts may be the biggest step toward a stronger, more confident you. Before diving in, I'd love to know where you're tuning in from. Leave a comment and feel free to ask questions. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss the best health advice from our channel. Together, let's build a healthier, stronger tomorrow. Number 1, whey protein powder. Let's begin with a natural supplement that's not only proven by research, but has also stood the test of time: whey protein powder. Now, if the first thing you imagine when hearing whey protein is young athletes or bodybuilders at the gym, that's completely normal. But here's what most people don't realize. Whey protein isn't just for the gym crowd. In fact, for adults over 60, it can be one of the easiest and most effective ways to preserve and rebuild muscle. As we age, our bodies naturally lose muscle through sarcopenia. This happens to everyone, even those who stay active and eat relatively well. The challenge is that the body becomes less efficient at turning dietary protein into new muscle tissue. So even if you're eating enough food, your muscles might still not be getting the full support they need. This is where whey protein truly excels. Whey is known as a complete protein, meaning it provides all 9 essential amino acids the body cannot make on its own. What makes it especially powerful is its rich supply of leucine, an amino acid that plays a vital role in muscle protein synthesis, the body's process for repairing and rebuilding muscle after activity. Without enough leucine, it's like trying to build a house without nails. It just won't hold together. Whey delivers that support quickly and efficiently. The best part? It's incredibly easy to use. You don't need an expensive gym membership or heavy weights. A brisk walk, some light stretching, or resistance bands at home are enough to trigger your muscles to rebuild. Follow that with a scoop of whey protein, and that's when the real magic happens. Timing is key. Drinking whey protein within 30 to 60 minutes after movement gives your body the materials it needs to repair and strengthen muscle tissue when it's most ready to do so. That's why many older adults make it part of their morning routine, even on rest days, because consistency compounds over time. It helps maintain balance, endurance, and overall strength. When selecting a whey protein powder, look for something pure and high quality. Ideally, choose whey protein isolate or grass-fed whey concentrate. These types are easier on digestion, lower in lactose, and packed with pure protein without unnecessary additives. Avoid brands that contain artificial sweeteners, gums, or unrecognizable ingredients. Your body deserves better. Aim for at least 20 grams of protein per serving, which is enough to activate the rebuilding process in aging muscles. Now, let's talk about how to enjoy it. Because something you drink daily should taste good and be easy to prepare. Many seniors like mixing whey with cold water or almond milk for a quick shake. If you prefer smoothies, blend it with half a banana, a handful of spinach, and some frozen berries. That way, you're not only getting protein, but also fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants in one delicious glass. Some even mix it into oatmeal for a hearty, muscle-supporting breakfast that keeps you full and energized for hours. Here's another bonus. Whey protein not only strengthens muscles but also supports your immune system, helps control appetite so you snack less, and even aids in stabilizing blood sugar levels. Research shows that older adults who add whey protein to their daily diet, especially those who weren't getting enough protein from meals, often experience noticeable improvements in muscle mass, strength, and energy. It's one of those small, consistent habits that can bring major, lasting results. So if you've been feeling a little weaker lately, or simply want to stay strong and independent as long as possible, whey protein might be the key you've been missing. And remember, this isn't about bulking up or changing how you look. It's about keeping your legs strong enough to climb stairs, your arms capable of lifting groceries, and your body resilient enough to enjoy the life you love. Growing older doesn't mean slowing down. It just means giving your body a little extra of what it needs to keep thriving. Number 2, collagen peptides. Now let's discuss something that often gets overlooked when it comes to maintaining muscle health after 60: collagen peptides. When people hear the term collagen, they usually think of skincare or anti-aging creams, right? But collagen is far more than a beauty trend. It's actually one of the key structural proteins in your entire body. It keeps everything intact, from your joints and ligaments to your bones and muscles. And here's the truth. As we age, our body gradually produces less collagen. This process typically begins around age 25, but the decline becomes much more noticeable after 50 or 60. That's when you might start feeling stiffness in your knees as you get up, or that dull ache in your hips after a short walk. Maybe your balance isn't quite the same, or your recovery after simple activity takes longer than it used to. These small red flags are often related to collagen loss, not just muscle loss, because muscles don't function on their own. They depend on strong tendons, ligaments, and connective tissues to perform properly. That's exactly where collagen peptides play their role. Collagen peptides are a specific type of collagen that's been broken down, or hydrolyzed, into smaller pieces so your body can absorb them easily. They're rich in amino acids like glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, the essential components your body uses to repair and rebuild connective tissues. When you take collagen peptides consistently, you're strengthening the framework around your muscles, almost like tightening the bolts and beams of a house. This doesn't only support strength, it improves stability, mobility, and confidence in movement. That's why many older adults who start using collagen often say things like, "I can finally stand up from the chair without holding onto the armrest," or "I can walk longer distances without that persistent pain in my joints." It's not a magic fix, but over time, it's a real game changer. So how do you take it? It's actually very easy. Most collagen peptide powders have no flavor, no smell, and mix effortlessly into hot or cold drinks. You can stir a scoop into your morning coffee, blend it into a smoothie, or add it to soups or oatmeal. No hassle, no weird taste. For best effects, aim for 10 to 20 grams per day, depending on your individual needs. The key factor is consistency. Taking it once or twice won't do much, but making it part of your daily routine for a few weeks or months can bring noticeable improvements in how you move and feel. And the benefits go beyond muscle support. Collagen can help reduce joint pain, maintain bone strength, and even enhance skin elasticity and hydration. So not only can you feel better, but you may find yourself moving easier and looking a little more radiant too. When selecting a collagen supplement, choose high-quality options. Look for those made from grass-fed, pasture-raised cows or wild-caught marine sources. These usually contain more nutrients and fewer impurities. Also, check if the product includes vitamin C, or simply take your collagen with a glass of orange juice. That's because vitamin C is essential for your body to properly use the collagen peptides you consume. Without it, you won't get the full benefit. Another tip: if you take calcium or magnesium supplements, you can combine them with collagen for extra support for bones and joints. If you've been avoiding physical activity because of joint stiffness, tendon pain, or fear of injury, collagen could be the missing piece in your wellness plan. Many older adults give up walking, gardening, dancing, or stretching simply because their body doesn't feel the same. But the truth is, aging doesn't mean you must stop moving. It just means your body needs a bit more support. Collagen peptides offer that support naturally, gently, and steadily, rebuilding the inner framework that helps your muscles perform better, your joints move smoothly, and your confidence return. It's like reminding your body how good it used to feel, without prescriptions or complicated routines. At the end of the day, maintaining your muscles after 60 isn't only about lifting weights or eating more protein. It's also about taking care of all the structures that hold your body together. Collagen peptides provide the raw materials your body needs to stay strong, flexible, and balanced. And truly, that means more freedom. Freedom to move, to play with your grandkids, to travel, to garden, or simply to enjoy life your way. Because aging doesn't mean losing strength. It means understanding your body better and giving it what it truly needs. If you're finding this information useful so far, don't forget to tap that subscribe button so you won't miss any of our upcoming tips for staying healthy and active. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like to see covered, leave a comment below. We're always here to help and would love to hear from you. Number 3, spirulina powder. Now, let's dive into a truly remarkable superfood that often goes unnoticed: spirulina powder. This deep green, blue-green microalgae has existed for centuries, but only recently has it earned the spotlight in the health community for its outstanding wellness benefits, particularly for people over 60. Spirulina might not seem impressive at first glance, yet it's actually one of the most nutrient-packed foods on Earth. It's a complete protein, meaning it includes all 9 essential amino acids your body requires to preserve and rebuild muscle. That's already a major advantage, especially if you're someone who doesn't consume much meat or finds heavier protein sources hard to digest. For older adults who are vegetarian, vegan, or simply searching for a lighter and more natural source of protein, spirulina provides a simple way to nourish muscles and maintain strength without needing to prepare a large steak. But what truly makes spirulina stand out isn't only its protein. It's the incredible range of micronutrients concentrated in every scoop. One of the most important is iron. Many people overlook how crucial iron is for muscle performance and energy levels. Iron helps produce hemoglobin, the molecule responsible for transporting oxygen through your blood. Without enough oxygen reaching your muscles, even easy activities like walking, standing up, or climbing stairs can feel exhausting. Low iron levels can cause fatigue, heavy legs, or even shortness of breath during mild effort. That's why older adults, especially women or anyone with anemia, should monitor their iron intake closely. Spirulina delivers a gentle plant-based form of iron that's easier on the stomach than many synthetic options and doesn't trigger constipation like common iron tablets do. It also promotes red blood cell formation, directly improving stamina, endurance, and overall vitality. But the magic of spirulina doesn't end there. This small algae is abundant in magnesium, potassium, calcium, and B-complex vitamins, all essential for muscle performance, nerve communication, and cellular energy. If you've ever dealt with cramps, restless legs, or general sluggishness, those might signal low magnesium or potassium levels. And spirulina provides both in a natural, highly absorbable form your body can readily use. Another impressive advantage is spirulina's rare antioxidant called phycocyanin. This pigment gives spirulina its deep blue-green hue and is exceptionally effective at combating inflammation and oxidative stress. That matters because chronic low-grade inflammation is one of the hidden factors that speeds up muscle decline, joint discomfort, and aging. Phycocyanin helps defend your cells from damage and supports faster recovery so you bounce back quicker from physical activity, whether it's gardening or a long walk. Spirulina has also been shown to increase nitric oxide levels, which relax and expand blood vessels. This enhances circulation, particularly to the limbs, making it beneficial for people who experience cold hands or feet, tight muscles, or fatigue linked to poor blood flow. Better circulation delivers more oxygen and nutrients to your muscles, helping them perform better and stay strong long-term. Now, if you're wondering how to use spirulina, the good news is that it's simple and adaptable. Begin with just half a teaspoon daily and gradually move up to 1 full teaspoon. It comes in powder and tablet form. The powder is more flexible, though it has an earthy flavor that might take time to adjust to. A great trick is to mix it into citrus juice like orange or pineapple, or blend it with lemon or ginger to mask the taste while boosting the health benefits. You can also blend it into a smoothie with banana and spinach, or stir it into soups or salad dressings. If the taste doesn't appeal to you, the tablets are a great alternative, convenient, flavorless, and portable. The key, however, is consistency. Just like collagen, spirulina works best when taken regularly. It's not about instant results, but about steadily supporting your body from within, helping you feel stronger, more energized, and more capable as time goes on. When buying spirulina, always choose organic, third-party tested brands. Because it's grown in water, it's essential to make sure it's free from heavy metals, contaminants, or bacteria. Look for companies transparent about their cultivation process, ideally those growing spirulina in clean, controlled environments such as Hawaii or California. Don't just pick the cheapest product available. Quality truly matters. With a trusted spirulina source, you're not only improving muscle strength and reducing inflammation, but also supporting gentle detoxification, stronger immunity, and greater overall vitality. It's like taking a daily multivitamin and protein boost all in one. Spirulina may be tiny, but its effects are enormous, particularly for anyone over 60 who wants to remain active, independent, and full of life. Imagine feeling less sore after walks, having more afternoon energy, or finally moving through your day without that heavy, sluggish feeling. This simple green powder could be one of the easiest and most affordable ways to invest in your health. It's natural, potent, and effective. No synthetic pills or complicated routines required. Try it and experience the difference for yourself. So remember this: getting older doesn't mean losing your strength or accepting weakness. You deserve to feel comfortable in your body, to move with assurance, and to keep enjoying the activities you love. The truth is, your muscles still have the ability to grow, recover, and get stronger, even after 60. All it takes is the right support, a bit of patience, and a lot of self-care. These natural powders, whey protein, collagen peptides, and spirulina, aren't just popular supplements. They're simple, natural, and scientifically proven options that can help your body feel stronger, more balanced, and better supported each and every day. If you've ever noticed your strength fading, I want you to know it's never too late. You can start making small, easy changes today to rebuild your body. And these powders are a great place to begin. Try mixing one into your morning routine this week and notice how your body reacts. And hey, if this video gave you some helpful insight or something new to consider, please give it a thumbs up so more seniors like you can discover it too. Thank you so much for watching this video. Your health truly matters, and I'm grateful you're sharing this journey with us. If you found this information useful, give it a like, share it with someone who could benefit, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss new tips and advice for better health. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. See you in the next one.